Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Ford Escape, stock number 6382. This ran from the 9th 2016 to the 5th 2020. It has a ZG 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a ZG 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate 1 dent in the edge, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,